Hello. Today, we are here for a short video explaining how earthquakes occur. Earthquakes occur as a result of the energy suddenly released by the rocks in the Earth's crust spreading to the ground. This energy usually occurs when the stress accumulated as a result of tension and spreading in fault lines is suddenly released. The Earth's crust is in constant motion, and this movement, which we call plate tectonics, occurs when different plates collide, separate or slide against each other. Friction and tension between these plates accumulate over time and are eventually released, causing an earthquake. The magnitude of earthquakes depends on the amount of energy released. This energy spreads on the surface in the form of waves and determines the area affected by the earthquake. In conclusion, earthquakes are a result of these natural and continuous dynamic processes in the Earth's crust. I hope this brief explanation helped you understand how earthquakes occur. Enjoy watching.